Yeah guys, so we're done pan Negril side is it. So never get to do no video regarding coming down. However, we're down on Negril right now and we just run go to Rick's Cafe, do a quick video with the girls. I'm gonna see how the place set up, you don't know, and enjoy the video. And you don't know where we'll leave a surprise. Is it? Finally reach on the ground, you know. Let's see what going inside, you know. Take some snaps and just enjoy the rest of the day. I saw not broke out. You not broke out up there. Alright, too forward.
Maria, Maria. Oh Lord, Maria, you cannot be turning your back when I'm trying to wish you happy birthday. That's not good luck. Turn around, girl. Turn around, turn around. President of the grill. My name is Starboy Rodriguez, and we're alongside the Platinum Promo Girls. Yeah, man. My boy and the lady Shorty at the party. Alright, so we're gonna have some lot of fun. We're gonna play some nice Jamaican tunes. We're gonna enjoy it. Give it up for her. Come on, show some love. Yes. What's your name? Where you from?
Coco from LA. Neighborhood stupid.
Hey, I like that. I feel like I'm on BET or what. Give it up for the lady. My audience, listen, stop. 3 years ago or 4 years ago, the whole goddamn world was locked down. Why are you acting so in your shell? Come on, enjoy yourself. I know I heard people be like, oh my God, I wish I could go outside. Now you're outside. Come on, make some goddamn noise. Enjoy yourself. I don't work with this kind of goddamn energy. Thank you, I'm on TV. I'm on. All right, here we go. No, it's your turn. What's your name? Where you from? Jazzy from where? I'm joking. That's why I'll tell you, don't mess with her. Give it up for the beautiful lady. Come on, show some love. Make some love. Hi, how you doing? What's your name? Butterfly. Butterfly? Give it up for Butterfly from DC. Goddamn. Yeah, that's Butterfly right there. Don't mess with Butterfly. Now, kids, this part of the show is rated PG-18. Where your parents at? Mama. Okay, you're under parent supervision. So this is out of my hands, okay? Do not do what you see here. If I find that you do what you see here, I will fight you. You're the first place. Hey. Okay, that's enough. Stop. Don't scare them away. That's it. God damn it. Yeah, make some noise for Butterfly. No. Hey. You know you can. Come here, girl. You don't have to shake it, you move it. Here we go. Butterfly. Give it up for Butterfly. You're in a serious security now. Oh, here we go. This is a lady butterfly right now. Hey, go. Work. Hey. Oh, God, damn. Here we go. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and stop. Butterfly, stop. Listen, once you're in the Jamaican weirs, that's why I picked you, okay? So you gotta get out here. No, I'm not ready for her yet. Come on out here. It's your best friend turn. I can't move, sweetheart. I'm in the middle of the show. You gotta come to me. DJ, drop that beat. She got her hands on hey. Oh, God. No, stop. The name of Jesus. You need Jesus. I said I didn't tell you to go. No, you're not. It's a competition. You go it alone. And there's she got her hands on her knees and her on her thighs. She's like it's working out. Oh, my. Wait. Oh, I can't control it. God damn it. Oh, my. Jesus. Oh, my God. Hey, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and stop. You bad girl, you. 1. No, up in the mouth. Come on. 1. 2. Thank you. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, and go. Hey. Here we go. I say wow. Hey, stop. That's enough. Give it up for her. Go. I say bang, go. Hey. I say 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, Let's see. Let's go. Hey, hey, go, 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 go. There we go, go Tennessee, go Tennessee, go Tennessee. Come and look for me, go Tennessee. Come and look for me, go. Go second, make it down. Hey, go, make it shake like a ball. 4, 2, 3, and 1. DJ, drop that beat. Oh, you ain't ready. Oh, you see a boyfriend right here? Swipe her, no swiping. Swipe her, no. Look at his face. He's like, boy, I'm gonna get some tonight. Ooh, let me lick these lips right here. Girl, I'm gonna deal with your case. Here we go, DJ, drop that beat.
Real hot girls. Can you the beat live? You know,
Hey, hey. How's your bestie, yo? Go best friend, best friend, go best friend, best friend, swipe with no swipe, swipe with no swipe, swipe with no swipe, swipe with no swipe, go best friend, go best friend, get it, 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 hey, hey, work, work, do something, do something, do